is our igniter here. See, there's some debris on there, so that's gonna read wrong. This debris has dropped down from the heat exchanger, and that's what's causing our issue there. Igniter is also cracked right here, so we're gonna go ahead and replace it. These igniters are very delicate. Doesn't take much to crack these. They heat up red hot, and that's what ignites the flame. They become brittle over time. Doesn't take much to break these guys. You gotta be really careful. If you're gonna pull one of these out, make sure you have replacement on your truck, otherwise you're making a parts run. We'll replace both igniters like a pair of trucks. You don't just replace one. But no igniter. Look at that pretty. It's like a game of operator. When you put these in, you don't want it to touch anything. So, too much gasoline, not enough protein, get the shape. Here's our other igniter, just as bad. Low gas to here, pulling back on now, fire up the heater, clear out the combustion. Boiler pump just came off, clear the unsurfaced igniter, stage 2, igniter warmed up, gas valve turned on, that's good. Take the fan on for stage 2, I'm gonna kick on the igniter and we're at a full fire right now. We're running forward for a little, make sure we're all good, that's what it was, that igniter.